today. So, yeah. Alright guys, so Jojo, if you don't know who Jojo is, she's basically a girl that is named Jojo. I don't really know how to, I mean, she's not really a character. She's just kind of a person. So Jojo Siwa is someone who used to be on Dance Moms. Dance Moms was a TV show, and now she is a YouTuber. And she's kind of got like this whole look she's got going on. She's got a pigtail, she's got bows on, and she always has like colorful clothing. And yeah, so I decided, why don't I try and do a little makeover and I try and be Jojo Siwa. So I'm gonna go to Target right now. I'm gonna get some of her clothing because she put her clothing in Target, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna try and transform myself into Jojo. So let's see how this goes, guys. All right, let's go straight into the video. Yo. I can't slide on the carpet, but I'm back, guys, with a bunch of Jojo stuff from Target and a little bit from Walmart. But anyways, guys, I got all her clothing. Well, not all of it. I got all the clothing I could find there, okay? So, looks pretty good. I like it. There's a couple of things in here I don't like, but that's just my opinion. But anyways, guys, I have absolutely no idea if this is gonna fit me or not because I am taller than the average person, but also Jojo is taller. I'm like the same height. I'm sorry, I think I might be a little bit taller, like an inch taller. I think I'm around an inch taller. She's like 5'9", I'm probably like 5'10", and I'm like gonna be 15 a little bit, so I don't know if it's gonna fit me though because I have a very big bone structure, so yeah. But I got extra large and everything, so let's see. Next thing I got from the clothing is a bunch of hair supplies. And then we got some shoes that I am going to bedazzle myself because I couldn't find anything that was in my foot size range because I am like 9 to 10. And when you get to 9 to 10, it's just a bunch of brown freaking shoes everywhere. So yeah. Alright guys, so the first thing I gotta do is put the clothing on. Alright guys, the first outfit is gonna be this and this. I have absolutely no idea how to put these clothing together, so I'm just gonna put this dress and hopefully it fits me. I think it's gonna be a little bit short though, to be honest. And then I'm gonna put this weird jacket on that I don't 100% like. So yeah. Okay, so let's go. The new and improved Ameerah! Yeah, I look like a freaking body. Did you see this? It does not fit me. Like, what the heck? Did she have like a bigger size or something? And like this right here, guys, I have to put shorts on. It's a shirt on me. This dress is a shirt on me, okay? You didn't see this? It's like an Ariana Grande dress right here. And then this jacket is, it's not doing good. All right, so can I even zip this up? Oh yeah, that's not zipping up anytime soon. All right. My high and top shoes, they can do what they do. Put me in a good mood. Make me think about you. Okay, this outfit, I think it looks fantastic on me, but I'm just not completely feeling it. So I'm gonna put on a different outfit. How about these pink sparkly lighting? Like, oh my god, those are not fitting me. Okay, you guys comment down below if these clothing are not fitting you either, okay? I'm sorry, but I could literally, should I break it? I'm really gonna break it. I broke it! Okay, anyways, I guess I could put this shirt on. I like this color. And then I'll put like these leggings on. Maybe it'll fit, I don't know, but let's go see. Bye. Ta-da! Guys, so here's the outfit. I decided to add the skirt because everything fit, but of course it fit very tight. So these were very see-through. So I had to put on this skirt, which the skirt is tight still. But it's okay, because I found the outfit. So yeah. Alright guys, so now we're gonna be making the shoes. Need this bucket because we're gonna make a mess. Alright, so for the shoes, I went to Walmart and I got these $5 white shoes. Anyway, so you get your spray adhesive, and I definitely know what I'm doing here. You get your shoe and you just spray it. Guys, I'm not 100% sure that this is gonna work, guys. So we're just gonna put this glitter. I think it's working so well. I think it's working pretty good. You know, I should do this more often. Just make my freaking shoes. Jeez, this is looking good. All right, well, I'm all done with this one shoe. I think it looks pretty good. I actually might wear this, like, with normal clothes. Okay, guys, so we're all done with our shoes. We gotta go ahead and let them dry. I think they look pretty good, though. Now, we are going to do the ponytail. So, first, we got this brush. This is like the type of brush she uses, I think. I saw. Let me just go ahead and brush my hair out really quick because my hair gets very tangled. Easy. All right, so this is a really nice brush, dang. Okay, so we're just gonna brush it this way. Dang, I gotta get more of these brushes, guys. Put it all to the side. I think you're supposed to like get some hairspray. All right, now we're just gonna. Okay. Continue to brush it. Okay, this isn't that bad. This isn't that hard. Okay, now you get a pony and you just really pull that. You really pull that hair. Okay, what if we just try and squish it to the front? There we go. I think I did it. Yeah, look at that. Nice and smooth, am I right? I pulled on one hair. You guys know when like you do a ponytail and you pull on like one piece? That's how that feels. I think it looks pretty good. I feel like it's not as good, but I think I did a pretty good job. Now we're gonna add a bow. We got this blue one, this mermaid in a pool one. This one's kind of weird to me. And then we got this sparkly one. I think the sparkly one matches my shoes, so I'm gonna put that. I got 3 to, I'm a mess. Get one of these bows and you slap it right on, right? Just, did I do it? I did it! All right. Can I have an applause, guys? Like, look, I did it. Ta-da! I'm Jojo! Boomerang! Yeah! Nickelodeon! Let's check on our shoes. They're good enough. We also got for the shoes these things. They're for your shoes, shoe charms. Now, this is probably my favorite because I think these are actually really cool. They're shoe charms, like, why not? For these, you have to take everything out, I guess. So like, should have just taken the freaking shoelaces out. They're putting glitter everywhere. That's how you know the glitter is good. Or that the shoes aren't dry. Now I get this shoelace. This is a short shoelace, okay. And then we put it in the shoe charm thingy. There you go. Now we put them back on. That is the weirdest way I've ever put on the shoelaces. Okay, I like these. These are really cool. This is my favorite one.
Approximately 10 hours later.
My shoes, I like my shoes the best. The charms I love so much, and the leggings, I mean, I think the color could be more pastel, and I would like it. I like the skirt a lot. I like that it's white, has a bunch of cute little bows on it. I don't really like the shirt, but yeah, I like the hairstyle too. I mean, and I'm Jojo, guys. Okay, Ameerah's gone. I don't even.
Yeah, where's Ameerah?
Who is Ameerah?
Hey, Jojo.
Yeah, I'm Jojo. See, I got Jojo stuff on. I even got me on my shirt. It's exactly like me. Do Jojo, I mean my intro, just my regular intro. So yeah, we're just gonna do my intro. Okay, you guys ready? You ready? All right, let's go. Hey everybody, it's Jojo and welcome back to the channel. And Alice, every single video you're doing, and it's a time, and I'm doing great. So yeah. I said so yeah. Oh no, I've been caught. I've been exposed. I'm not really Jojo. Oh my god. All right, I think my intro was pretty good. I think it was pretty lit. Yeah. Guys, I forgot to put my my hair up, so I just gotta you know, really put those up there. I'm Jojo.
So you weren't Jojo before?
And for the final performance, guys, the final performance, I will be singing High Top Shoes. Na 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 na.
I got you.
I got the best thing, something.
I got you, Ameerah. I mean, Jojo.
Okay, Jojo. I'm singing. Alright guys, it was Ameerah all along.
I didn't see that coming.
It was me all along, Ameerah, just Ameerah. Alright guys, I hope you liked today's video. I think this outfit's pretty good. Also, I'm not making fun of Jojo at all. I love her. I think her whole style is awesome. And everybody who's saying that she's too old to be dressing like that, go away. Because honestly, it doesn't even matter. At least she's not wearing like half clothings. Like half clothings, literally. Alright guys, so that's it. You guys want me to do more of these? Because this was pretty fun, honestly. I can also do Jake Paul. I can impersonate everybody, guys. I don't know. Face Banks, Alyssa Violet, Jenna Marbles, Karina Garcia. I can do it all, guys.